Okay, this is discussion 4, the schematic diagram figures. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to draw the different components of our circuits as the actual circuit symbol. So right now we've been drawing things like the battery as an actual battery. And so we're going to practice just drawing the schematic symbols because we're going to be doing that for our rest of our drawing circuits. So here we go. A single battery, what we've been drawing was something maybe like this, right? So we had the positive terminal, and then we had the negative terminal on the side. Maybe if we drew it on its side, we had the negative terminal and then the positive terminal. And what we would draw is the circuit symbol where the positive terminal is longer than the negative terminal. So this is the positive and this is the negative. We don't have to draw the positive and the negative. Okay, so if we drew it on its side, here's the negative and here's the positive. Okay, so like I said, you don't have to draw the positive and negative anymore. It's just understood that the longer part is positive. Okay, so now the two batteries, we might draw it like this, right? One on top of the other, where there's positive, and negative. And same thing if we were to draw it on its side. Okay, but so what we're going to do now is we have our positive, negative. So this is an indication that there are two batteries. And on its side, we would have negative, positive. Okay. And the way we've been drawing light bulbs is maybe we had the metal part and then the actual light bulb. Maybe we had the filament inside. And what we would draw is a circle, and that's for light. Okay. And then we would draw this for no light. The resistor, which you had done in the Ohm's Law lab, right? So maybe it was like this. Maybe there are different colors of stripes in the middle. Okay, so what this is actually going to be drawn as a line with some squiggle marks and then another line. So that's what our resistor would look like. A wire, which we've been drawing kind of like that, it was just straight. A switch, which we might have been drawing kind of like this. Okay, this is maybe an open switch or a closed switch. It's not a very good drawing, but you kind of get the idea. Okay. We would draw the switch is here. So this is the component. So this is a closed switch. And then an open switch would look like this. An ammeter. An ammeter, maybe we'll have our box, and then we'll have a wire that comes out, then another wire that comes out. So this will have a screen that tells us the current. In our circuits, we will draw it just like we saw on the Ohm's Law lab. So and then it'll have something like 1 amp. And then the capacitor we will draw as something that looks like this. So the capacitor we'll just draw like this, but I don't think we'll actually be using it this time around. All right, and that is it.